Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a new channel. My name is Rocio. This is going to be my first video. I wanted to do an eyeshadow look because I know prom is just around the corner and I wanted to show you an easy prom look that you could do for prom. I did use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, so it's on the affordable side. If you would want to know how I did this eyeshadow look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm getting this color to use for my transition. And I'm just going to take one of my Morphe brushes and blend that all over my eyelid. I'm just going to take that same color and do the same thing on the other eye as well. I'm going to go ahead and take this burgundy color right here and just put it on my crease as well. And I'm just going to take this blending brush that I bought from Amazon. I'm just going to blend that all over my lid. I'm going to go in with that big fluffy brush I used earlier, and I'm going to use that to blend both eyeshadows together. I'm going to go in with a smaller blending brush and going in with that black color and putting it on my crease on top of that burgundy color. After I'm done blending that black color, I'm going to go back in with that burgundy shade again and then just blend it, blend those two colors together so they blend together. So please don't mind my daughter there in the background. After I'm done blending those colors, I'm going to go ahead and take concealer and I'm going to go ahead and look up. That way it lets me know where exactly to cut my crease. And I'm just going to go ahead and do a half cut crease today. I'm not an expert in cutting crease. I'm barely learning, so if it's not good, sorry, don't judge me. After I'm done cutting my crease, I'm going to go ahead and take this shimmery gold color and apply that where the concealer is. Once you're done packing on that shimmery gold color, go ahead and go back with your blending brush and just try to blend those colors together. At the end, I also like to go in with the light color on my brow bone, just to make my whatever, just to make that pop wherever I'm applying that color to. After I applied my foundation, I like to go ahead and go back to the same colors I'd use when I start doing my eyeshadow, and like to do the same process under my eye. Take that burgundy color first, and then afterwards I'm going to go in with the black color on top of that and just blend those together. So this is the final look that I did. If you liked this video and would like to see more videos, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave comments of what you would want to see next. In this channel, I want to show you easy ways to do makeup. I know everybody else does it differently. I'm not a makeup artist, but let's learn together. Then yeah, I just want to make it easier. I know other channels are harder now, and I want this to be easy. I want you to learn with me. I want to learn together. So just leave in the comments what look. I want to do spring looks next, but I just wanted to do this quick makeup because prom is around the corner. So yeah, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and leave whatever you want to see from me in the comments below. Thank you for watching.